Hi everyone. In this video, we are checking out this smartwatch from Yoever. Opening it up, right on top, we have some documentation, the charging cable, an extra watch band, and the watch itself. First up is the quick start guide. It has instructions in a ton of different languages. Then we have the frequently asked question document. If you're new to smartwatches, this will definitely help. And a support card. And now here is the charging cable. It's magnetic, though you will need your own charging brick since it doesn't come with one. Here is the extra band. This one has more of a leather feel, while the one on the watch is silicone. They're quick release, so swapping them out should be super easy. I also really love this rose gold and pink design. Here is the watch itself. It looks premium, feels really well built, and it's IP68 waterproof. Anyway, let me show you how to change the watch band. The quick release mechanism makes it effortless. Just like that, 2 snaps, and we're done. Powering on the watch, you can immediately tell it's an AMOLED screen. It looks great, and it prompts you to set it up in the VeryFit app. Here's how to charge the watch. Since it's magnetic, you really can't mess this up. Now I'm pairing it to this phone. It's super simple. Just follow the instructions in the VeryFit app. The app is packed with features, and you can easily change the watch face and download more designs directly from it. Here is a quick tour of the watch menu. It definitely offers a lot of features. Overall, I am really impressed. If you're in the market for a cute pink watch or your very first smartwatch, I highly recommend this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!